Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare ginseng root. First, you'll want to clean your ginseng root carefully. Begin by gently brushing off any loose dirt with a soft brush. Then, rinse the root thoroughly under cool, running water. Be sure not to scrub too vigorously, as you want to preserve the delicate skin of the root. This initial cleaning step is crucial for a high-quality final product. Once your ginseng root is clean, the next step is slicing and drying. Use a sharp knife to cut the root into thin, uniform slices, ideally about 1/8 of an inch thick. Arrange these slices on a drying rack, making sure there's good air circulation around each piece. You can air dry them in a well-ventilated room or use a dehydrator at a low temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, until completely dry. After your ginseng slices are completely dry, proper storage is key to maintaining their potency. Place the dried ginseng in an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store this container in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from any direct light or humidity. When stored correctly, your prepared ginseng can maintain its quality and beneficial properties for several months, ready for use. Now that your ginseng is prepared and stored, you can enjoy its benefits in many ways. A popular method is brewing a healthful tea. Simply steep a few dried slices in hot water. You can also grind the dried root into a powder and add it to smoothies, soups, or even sprinkle it over your morning oatmeal. Ginseng offers a unique flavor and can be a wonderful addition to various culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.